McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen. Yet to cano, get it bow. So when you know, no am I in here. Yet to cano, get it bow. So when you know, yeah, my share.
Hello, Ghana. This is McBrown's kitchen. How kwana diane pede. Ai me mama akwaba. Ene so ya side ehia me din na na McBrown. Me din nam dia ye jade akoba wase am din nam yi. Ene so ma be pie me nua fefefe bi fie. Ohema ya santo a ene din. Metima aka say me schedule me ase janu but or inspire me. I won't say that anything. McBrown's kitchen diane pede. McBrown's kitchen dia mo amunim. Amcom ni nua panyi high sense adaroma ena me de bramwi sankasa ena mia me de tasty tom entosia vitamins and fiber womu eno na me recommend am good for you tasty tom sa wo hwe ha ona bo delay na gina hey delay mackerel delay sardine peche like that. And this is Nampadum Penim Ane Ansana Indomie instant noodles. Eduane asima mi ensape na wa ye wi awudie anwodin wo mo ye mape ye krumu pe ye ankasa ye pe Indomie eye for Ghanaians. What you say? Indomie so so masekes here. And na spices ye wodwa so a efe ede nika wudi gu aduane mu akire nika na te se awoni rosa wo mu Minazen food spices adofo ayehia enne yenhwe yakoma ye yakoma ne kura yen utoka na engine ne mu ayeka anya ka intino awake purified water awake say yenuma wake na omuwa Ghana ani esa says baku bia beto bia no yeyi kakra e de koboa Kwalebu cardio center what I say nti yonkoda na oda unim de bedru so sa ene migina hanu mu a mada empanfo ase awie me nuamo mu so mbo michidom kakra Aligina makeover Alex na siesie manimi kama sa na nyonyo so ebema me ne guest aduane nyonyo ma aduane wie pe eye dia ose McBrown's kitchen motienka inti apple pie publicity ena de masisi kro waye billboards achemi Mr. so ohi obi am na brande o ka hwehwe ne kira kwan wate wono ana McBrown's kitchen wakata ahon fefefe maani apple pie publicity sa ena La Palm Royal Beach Hotel La Palm Royal Beach Hotel papa pie won kran ya woko didi woko swimming I mean ukoda conferences de ope bia benya ho na obetumi aye ho La Palm Royal Beach Hotel adofo mama mentwa mu sesia na membra na McBrown's kitchen and never yet there wo mabusia mu no obia pa de pa bebre
I'm home
medie adepa bia ye ma mabusia no me pe no bebre enu ti eba na duane no ade a me use so tasty tom and rich tomato mix enya duane no de keke o enuane no bi ti say vitamins and fiber a yema nipadua no wo mu wenyi na chi die bio na me hwehwe
more jollof
Emra so say wusu be use and rich tasty tom tomato mix of vitamins and fiber womu tasty tom emediane yede eyema woso
high sense everyday price
World Cup no dey yan qualify meti ase anu ntresa ye ntimi nhwe bi high sense TV wo we ya ba hwe na ya hwe no clear 58th April, Ekopim World Cup na wiye. High sense TV bia, size bia, ya titis wa ma say. Eno na waka no. Say, high sense dia, wo dia asem o. Me dia ni gi sema san ya ba. Bora high sense showroom bia. TV na ya titis no. Ko Tobi, nenya o DSTV, Go TV, Kwese TV decoder. Free. The choice is yours. Russia 2018 there. What show high sense TV so therefore. And fair. TV I will tell you 5 years warranty there. Hisense near the bio. Neda Suchia. Hisense, official sponsor of the 2018 FIFA World Cup. Hisense, everyday prices for everyday people.
Mommy, I don't know what my was saying. That's fine, it's a band out here. Oh, I can say I mean, catch it up. Menazen food spices. And none as is here, air drinking. Obapa beer is so in your kitchen. Said the bear will beat to me quadruple. What I say? Now, that be over here. What did he? One way. Menazen jollof flavor. Menazen chicken flavor. Menazen fish flavor. Now, the other devil, any lion's nutmeg powder.
Menazen food spices. What shema warrior, mammy?
Mentanasi. Now will be new if it's with menazen. Any lion's nutmeg powder. What will you cry?
Naturally, there is a meek to everyone. Everyone has a unique strength. Everyone comes with a unique spice. That unique spice that urges you to slice more out of life. Your ingredients are unlike any other. And when they come together, they create a whole new wonderful you. It's your way. Love it your way. Indomie tastes great.
Indomie 70-gram pack is only 1 Ghana cedi.
Say ye kayen sabo mu a eno na ekire se ye baako. Eno na ekire se ye gina ho ye gitum ye kabom ye baako efri se yen sakabom a yen akoma enso akabom. Na se yakoma bobom a niama intumi nyeye tumi ye. Awake purified drinking water bottle baku biara a wo betono. Ye de sikano bibua National Cardio Center ewo Kolebu. Casa Preco Company Limited insano ejuma pa baku ni. Awake purified drinking water, one for life.
McBrown's kitchen. Ediane pe de. Ai. Ene minimi nua bi na ebe bonkomo. Eye Yvonne, actress ba ko pa. Ne ho ye fe. No nim ne wo ye. Wonim kasa. Owa akukudro na ade a me pese me wia won ho me pese na wia metu ni na ba kwa akoto fie na achi me dia so Yvonne Nelson. Oh akaba yes odo Yvonne nyame shira papa say one say hail
me share down
adofo mo me guarantee jai yenie hwe manya ne sa anko oba meneme Yvonne.
Yes.
Et to say.
Yo, now where?
Nyame adom. And that dear, no brofo for the kitchen.
Oh,
inside. Aye.
Ghana for.
Say, you say you be kokuma would cry. Chendema. Kuma would for a woman de juman wa akofo kakra bi na nim there. We're still richer. Fanti do kana brofo amama na still, we go do richer. And into Yvonne, mini Yvonne, yerba, ata, yerba, baba, yabum. Vantina,
yeah.
Inyo. Panties in the house. Yeah. And now Yvonne, baba, be yin and sanopa, amagana for yin na, yashena, yes, febi. But the deacon never away and sansa. Not a see a baba die, dear, and Neddy. And I'm here, some son. It's me good many months.
Oh, sir.
Yana,
me won't be down.
Ediane ped day. And that's what they mean so be boy pa. Hey, now baby Ryan what to say?
No yo. Me Johnny fear because of you, Tino.
Oh, all right.
Thank you.
Baby Ryan.
Thank you.
Ada wo ba no, we your Holy Mary na obi ane wanda na. Asa unko.
Osa de papa.
No, we won't in the crackle.
I me or me
When in the crackle. Was so?
Yes. We observant too.
Oh. And I'm sure so now you what through.
This Sakura de Impeka, they be not me deep, we are bunati.
Hey, Akulana no be waso.
Obewa, ne papa so one.
Ah, ne obewa.
Obewa.
Jam Ghana for you now.
Oh, say me so. I say Ghana for size or mum permintino. Anna,
Yvonne.
Obi amba.
I know we better do am waja go na mo hu sem krofo. Ama wo hu sem krofo.
But say obi amba or nka obi buy nka.
But say okay, ebusia for still. We bet to me because I say enye 100%. Say enye anhye ka wa bia.
Oh, dey me worry.
Chance day. Yvonne, and at McBrown's kitchen, what me ya set up near my pee. Wouldn't have no so chef free.
Okay.
Intino. And the dinner baby on McBrown's kitchen.
You mended me be wine jollof.
Hey!
I don't know say what to say me jollof pa.
John Melo do one dance.
Aha. Yes.
It's a winning jollof. Yeah
pa. It me be wine.
Na me ka say okay, na me hwe minim say mete so de ba me try.
Na my plantain kelewele kakra and potato salad. You know, simple jollof, but me on my own way I made it.
Oh, okay. Jollof. Na ya cocoa and potato salad. Aka ho. Evie. Yeah, boy and near man so. YN jollof.
It's a big beer restaurant.
Also, it's a beer restaurant.
It's a big beer restaurant.
Wow. And that's a YN crow rhyme.
Say me in the papa.
And as RYN.
RYN.
Unye.
Aye.
Unye.
Me papa Robert and I'm here Yvonne Nelson.
Unye.
I didn't hear.
When you say that. Someone says, into wine and the be idea jollof me. Me patch ingredients ben the wine jollof.
Okay, I usually know me pet fresh tomato idea jollof. A man is a restaurant feel no. Ope say to say fear jollof and I'll use tomatoes. But ope say restaurant then you just use the tin tomato.
Which and they will tasty tom.
Okay, nice. You know, it's the usual onion, pepper, carrots, garlic, ginger. Make I mean time you ginger mum but ended there.
Oh, now also nam now ka say me.
Me ginger kakra.
Nti ma me nam no bra. But say me cook fridge ni mo Yvonne, me kwa ma anya de. Say ma nsu. Oh, nti amamre.
Okay.
E wo baby a nti ani die mu no. Me ma
thank you.
Nti a goat meat. Yeah, sausage no, abeka, your vegetables no. Your kosua, your garlic, your pepper. Yeah. And I use some spices if you can get. A cold area. Me jaw can come minazen food spices. And morning bibi basically a jollof. To morning co process no man. Why and jollof? What's a jollof? So I chant, you know, I say steamy. Me and no my potato. I'll put everything on the fire. Now I fast. There's I bet chains. Why? Yes. Yeah, I say. And tea a bit steamy goat meat. Okay, ma. Okay. Your person will blend them up. Yeah. And they be blend it. Mekono, any garlic kakra, any ginger kakra. Okay. But before that, no, you be blend it without ginger, no answer. You did. You shegu you start stew na feed. Me so stew no so. Hey, you na feed me dia gra. Eh, me pa chowo. Wadaruma. Okay. Why and jollof? Yeah, patron you be blend it. You be blend it Jane and okay. We mo pay. Me do best you. Hey, we no one day. One will say oh no. Oh no. Hey, oh dada. Debbie. Oh, Yvonne. Me mfa from Fro Debbie. But you are one of the actresses here. Hey. Me boo. Ish. Me dance. Me boo. With the garlic. Yeah. It's ever blended ginger and garlic. I try. Me boo pa. And I know you respect me. Oh, I do. Hey, you're my legend though. Like I will lie down for you. I will lie down for you. Wow. Yes. Wow. Yvonne, we cook here drew. With me cup room when you know, celebrities near the candle, bobo do what. Now the enam. Oh, very
cry.
Away.
Me ferry. Oh,
go here do.
Oh, but you can sing Kaya de Mekoka cry.
Sa o ka blend away answer.
Ah, I'm so sorry.
Don't worry.
To me you soon in yaw.
Me how?
Me peme kopa.
Me how? Your love for the bia domelo be no. Hey, Elliot. Yes. Okay. It is the jano. Yeah, the ginger neck.
Yes.
Okay.
And more garlic. Into me use garlic me now. You know, you are very good meat.
Yeah, very good meat.
Yeah.
All right. Jollof food here. Obia wo kwan ofa so ye ne jollof. Na mu amunim say jollof bebre abahako. But there be a yesua de enti no. And that's so yesua YN jollof. Yvonne Nelson. Wow. Yvonne.
Hey, you my fans.
Debbie, infantini cry the one with the animal of the Papa, what good mamma?
Okay. So this is for the goats, no?
Goats, no?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. It's my own sound, the minerals and spices.
But you may have salt, so kaka.
Salt, so any. Okay. McBrown's kitchen. Be everywhere. More water.
No, it's fine.
Okay. Now, and I'm no. Ebeko jollof no mu ana say ebeche ya.
Mechi yeah, me usually no. Me dey no jollof no. But when
no ye no said enye no we.
Oh, me pese me ye no special palma. Into we no Mr. Miria met me achi jollof ne ba be bin na
dey gu.
Me dey gu jollof.
Ame.
Pacho menya spice kakaraka.
Me for the same thing na me ma okay. Minazen food spices back. And I dey come because you do and I'm not a dose.
Okay.
And I'm the dose.
Into no you bet me the pepper no. You say you check pepper anymore. So me pepper kopa into no maybe be a meko. Oh, but and yet too much, sir. But once I would tasty jollof, it's always sweet. Sweet. Yeah, but yeah, me. Okay.
Me do we have to have
okay. Thank you.
Salt is for you, okay? But we need to be see how.
Okay. See, me to me, I chicha sausage in any man.
Okay, and no so be your day.
And no jollof ne baby ah. Baby me the very good jollof.
Okay. Okay. You bet you trying to get on and say
say not yeah, say now you fast.
Chef Evie. And no. It's a sausage no. Any. The train wa. You try vegetables.
Hey, Ethel. I just said toy.
It is a toy. Okay, say rubber.
Because a toy.
There means mean this you.
Hey, Ethel. Me pese me chakra. Pese me did two jollof this.
But because you be.
Oh, it's so nice.
McBrown's kitchen. So where it is all request we. I just can't go to the market and bring you.
Thank
just
you.
Anything. Now, why me too castle producer actually?
What's that? Me fancy.
Right, wrong.
Okay, or no so count, but me name ne cry me cha heels and sneakers. But no be anim. Say honum na ko concern start here. Tina me set for no ya omo say
why slow?
Why funny be nti omo na. Omo de ko concern ni
so I won him location.
No, me name ne dear.
Okay,
me cha heels and sneakers season 3 no. But see na me working on movie script. Person me shooting movie. This year we there me shooting movie.
Na Yvonne we be ko jollof ni mu ana say.
We the jollof ne be bin kra.
Oh, okay.
And yes sir, a bit too soft. Me the tin tomatoes no.
Ebe gum. Okay. Someone who say never couldn't can make jollof. Taste it on when the other say how good many must say. Into more kafra.
Okay.
More jollof, more spoon. Okay. Said you any fear now.
Pacho, where the minya minu and kebe me do.
Sir? No time to waste. It's me you baby.
Cause me kono man fatu anya. Want to me.
And now per bem.
Ouch. Me per color no.
You ready run. Hey then. You forget to say.
Where the go Betty as o Betty as.
Kafra.
Okay.
O per se. Taste the bem. Na color no so
Me
bem.
back so back count.
Oh wow. Why you use me product now na na sound so na ne de ne be ye. E be ye de.
E say me wash mu na me to me fa bibia o can ni mu.
Hey, Oliver Twist. No. Ye jollof no. And na ye di ye tasty tomato mix. Egumu. Kama no. Ye nam ni ye tomato no. Said ye ko no sa na open no.
Sa, but see ye chi.
Ye chi nam.
See ye chi na.
Okay. And ye ba chi nam no dia. Me di see the same place amount.
Okay.
See.
E jai de o cook ide me believe pa.
Say ya na you be say ye ka mu ntine bia o. Emboja. Ebo ankasa. Ya ni da ho ye si mu achi.
Nice.
Nti no sabre ye de
Oil no
ebegu the frying pan ni mu kama. Na esa fry ni ye.
Aye.
Why me fa ni nyina?
Me pa try.
Okay. Ope bio amema obi o.
Okay.
Yeah, be chi ye nam. I want to swai ready amount. Your potato no bebe me boa. Okay. Missing say na so we try to say ya.
Oh, cows and say ma.
Me
chia de ofia ya me share glasses.
Sa.
Na ma quick trace.
Na
ma trace. Yeah, me to be cautious sunglasses cra.
I won't hear there.
And I say onim. Sometimes me say.
Yeah, chi nam na wisha for.
But whilst I wear sana na me de
Minazen.
Mpebio.
Oh.
Tina ya no amami.
Oh. Enkasa. Ai. Una di Yesu eche uzate muda. Una papa ne God. Enkasa.
Okay.
Enti me be sensen potato na ma ho.
Okay.
Na to say. Eno ne de be salad no.
Me pa try.
Na say no so akoja so. Okay. By de be ye salad no. Ye potato salad no. Enti no emo no so e ba be komo anu no. Na Yvonne.
Yes.
Adenna. Wo so me nkunu akwantu a wo ko mu. Efe eye nika enidie. Na ti me de Ghana fo nyina. Wo wie ye. E na akofa photo. E na de be tizi.
What say Ghana for negativity no yende say obi down for bibi bonisia no mo kasa radi yakopon Ghana for na I decided say was a very crucial time mommy.
Okay.
And a pregnancy so obi pine nyama to make up
yeah
into no me who say minya time for myself and my family, you know. Na me mpese ebe amount for business too much. Yes, na e bia akwa affect me na be you know health reasons. O say
we here broni ba.
Oh, say eno de anyame de mame.
There be say when yakofa we dey yakofa e bia nim outcome. So for Korea ni ankasa brain.
Nyame na de mame.
Akwala ni waterman.
I'm grateful. I'm grateful to na me pese me keeping no. What's a private life.
Yes.
Private life. Me the stock kakra.
Ebe call rice.
Ebe go. I say me here rice kakra be account.
Rice kakra.
Yes. Okay.
Wait, me I come for that same ba. Let me say why ready sir. Where they come for that same. Your rice no. And I idea go ye tomato ne mekoni jene na ya chia. And I'm the so sijaso. Potato
na. And I'm ready.
I ready. And so, okay.
Into a baby, oil. Oh, I have a cool.
Okay. Maybe I'm cast on going for more feeling work at Waffle. It's the same fire, Nana. Yes, they bear and no, you potato. Now, Yvonne, Mamma, do the same.
Yeah, me and son.
Oh, okay.
Me last born.
Oh, yeah?
Tell me to me, the pan.
Hey, said the one who mammy said any answer on one away, baby.
We are last born.
The castle won't
big brother and a big sister.
Oh, okay. And now we are 100% funds.
My papa a gun. But me check it outside not too much into. Me pede.
Check it say yam for one ko na won't pay.
Say me nini into no. I prefer my fancy side.
Oh, okay.
What I say? Say me kobo football na I say fancies ne gun then I mebo am mo. Mebo am fancies.
Oh, okay. Because a ho no ma me nini.
E ho no na me feel love no you know.
Oh. Ganyo bi o fan ne.
In small na kan
o small na kan onuga. Onuga da bi ana so onuga da koda.
Bibio.
Na se no ya da koda.
Bibio. It's me akola me share that crown and me nsua gan because I'm my best friend gan.
Oh, okay.
Me share that but o can me
yeah.
It's a potato no. Yeah, the sugar. Ebe gumu.
Okay.
Na ma taste no. Taste na tasty beer.
Undi bida. Wow.
The salt kakra bi so be ka.
Yeah, the salt kakra bi so aka ho. Na carrot so wo kon salad no na.
No ebe come first because the carrots they heading.
Nti ebe ko potato ni mo
ebe ko jollof no.
Ebe ko jollof.
Aye.
And yeah, bell pepper
and also
jollof.
Aye.
Okay. Nti na is a potato salad no dey pa na dey be ye.
Potato salad dey eggs, spring onion, potato and mayonnaise no. Enope.
Me pa choy potato salad no. Ayi potato na ya no yi. Egg na ye be bo aguma na ye be no na say.
You to me cry the egg no. Nti yen wash egg no.
Ma wash?
Aha, na yen fengum na bang together.
Wo ba unya no. Ye wo no madwa no.
Me believe you.
Ma wash.
Aha.
Nti potato salad no. Ayi potato. Ene na ye no ani kosue yi. Ye wi a wo say ene de.
Nti potato salad na ye use potatoes of course, eggs, spring onions, and mayonnaise. But the sugar kakra.
Your potato ye the sugar kakra na nchine kakra egu hu. Ye wi a be twitwa potato na be de dem say ya.
Be twitwa na square. What say meaning the way I be soft afa intin na main twitwa ne square ebe poto twitwa na kese a bin wi a na fe
na say wo yi nti dia hono no kra to me na amaye pacha na sausage
eno so ebe ko jollof
na che say ye kokko no ya chin separate
no be last cry wo say kokko one chin fresh na dia na ye
yeah that is ba ko pa e wo jollof no amunie either say would the
rubber
come to me chira wadi o
rubber na
rubber no
eno de me say e bin kakra wo say obe no say fall no
that dey
okay me the rubber
no okay but save the heat no ebe come no
na yentem you are the right girl
yentem on ne kron
wait mesia baby
obewie usesi a
okay
on ne kron inti ye bete so a ye be
nice one
na
okay
ye duane na ye ne ye wie no kra
okay
baby ado no Yvonne twitwa ne carrot awie waso de ba begum na what ne say free mo nti ye hwe mama what next
ye the carrots no na me the stock kakra so
aka ho
aka
okay membieso
okay okay
yeah the carrot no e ko jollof ni mu preko na what the stock na kakra ho
na me the me the sausage na so
ego wow and then I'm coming to bend my mouth
Was it because of in training in Yamana, you know, I say we watch salt now, the big good
Jollof.
Jollof.
Okay, because of spices now.
Yeah.
One nam na when I had stock ni bebu muntino.
Yeah.
Okay.
And it will be so hard in see good jollof. Me fancy ngumu. What in see ngumu pena o jollof na aye pacha aye soft.
Aye soft.
Me penisa.
Okay.
They say 1
It is stock nko
na me de no jollof.
Eno kra no say wafa kakra bi. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Nti me hwe. Yeah, the sausage no. And so kom. Aduane de when e be hu keda. And so nice ha say. The woman I FN say we betumi aye biadi as long as we hwe no hu process. Stock no kra na just say even e cheche so just say stock no kra nyi nsuo bi akra no person obefa ni nyina.
Yes na. Aduane na some style.
It is stock na na ye dey. Good. And I didn't chine no kakra. I say na ye aduane.
Okay, do you ever goat meat ni so kan?
You ever goat meat ni so kan ho problem. Yeah, we fi a wo hwe si anu apeketua bi wom. E ma de.
Worry about ko de da.
Me. Ghana for mo sama re no. Hey, Yvonne. Aduane wo re carrot.
Me spy o pa.
Me kan hen chlo. Akra ya me zakan.
Aha, nice. Tisi ano ye kata so a ye be train kakra. So
Ye be kata so.
Ye be kata so.
Style na ye di peja ye na. Eno an ye di any ABC so.
Yeah.
Nti no. Awusuafo McBrown's kitchen ni. Eha ena aduane pede. Eha na ye celebrities, ye personalities no. Omu ba be kire skills. Aye. Now, this time, dear, I know someone who say Yvonne will prove you wrong. Annie, Yvonne will prove you wrong. Wamana Jones, then Saudi Chicha, dear, and number what she said you are in the Dian and not and your life, no hills, no nimshet. Name when him daddy switch.
I don't know, you shared the movie, but in actual, you know,
your life.
Oh. In real life, Debbie.
You live your life. And no. Now, heels and sneakers, I was saying.
Oh, I call you. See, I was DSTV, Africa Magic.
Oh,
and you know, I started season 1, 2, 3. So, I'm still so movie season 1 until movie on Bay 2. And I assigned what Iroko TV. You know, koye pa.
Some no you are Ghana TV show. That's so TV show.
Yeah, you were GH1 and TV3. I said Ghanaian stations no more ya chisel kakranti no.
E wo kwan best. Wo na untua na say.
Oh, it was
en person mo be boa ma.
Omo be gi content no. So do say omo be tiaka. Na ye problem.
Oh, okay.
You know, sometimes we just all the lawyer ne niama be. Me person me bo mudi, you know. As I move to your kind, you know, it's just too cumbersome for me, you know.
It's abusuafo yesua potato na ekosua na ye no a ye no. Ani. Yesua ne kama.
Me pese heat ne kofom kakra.
Oh, ene ma me ngu ha ma.
So,
okay. Me hwegu so ye. Na heat no kofom.
Yes.
Okay. Let's say we betwitwa wa de kama.
Because we no mo kra person bubu kakra account no.
Ntwa na nketua
too much.
Potato salad and ebusuafo. Yeah, na kama no. Hills and sneakers.
Yes.
Who like if tomorrow never come?
Aye. What
single,
married and complicated. Any single and married. Ninya the same. What watch any of them now?
Mashe, if tomorrow never come.
Okay.
Also, we see you every day.
Yes.
Yeah, looking good. I mean, what dressing? But if you're tired, I just show what's happening.
I went
all out to emotions. Wow.
Say rolls na wunya sa rolls no because omoni was started shepe no ntino every time bibia mo pese omo ma sa roll ntino I decided say I'm going to produce a movie.
So tired dos. boutique no.
But I'll close it very soon. What's the business? We do some stage. We are not wape bibi for fry because I me started at almost some 8 years we were back. See, I want to do something else. Tim patch up potatoes, no. Spring onion was potato, egg, the sugar,
kakra, ebe peteso,
the guso, na, the mayonnaise, no.
Account. Hey, we are continue.
They pay aza oil de.
Yeah, the mayonnaise, no.
Yes.
Ebeka. Yeah. Yeah, potato, egg, spring onion.
Yes.
And sugar, no so.
Yes.
Matters.
Mimpedi ebe waste.
Bibiala.
Enyo. Bibiala.
Wow.
It's salad it's done.
Salad na yewie.
It's made a chef fridge, man. It's nice.
Hey. And ready.
Okay, it's a plantain.
Your plantain no. And a chicha bako my. Na yen hwe.
Okay.
Na yen commercial break mra because e mo no de yen no hwe bio. Said Yvonne kan on fancy mu bio. E stock na kakra na odigum na dia kan say heat na nkasa ebe bono na abene no. Na we so akom last minute. The last hour. Kokoro no ye twitwa ne sen. Say ya nkete kakra se be nya fe na be fa na de for ka chiche mu bi en wo fa ba ko pa wo na akono ai nka yetimi di we ye atwa ye jollof na ni a etre Ghana for na ke commercial.
Okay and ye mfengumu
maybe you get permission to open.
Oh, please do.
Wow. Ebusuafo jollof no na dandan ho vegetables ibebem na chese ye wie ya che kokko no asoso kokko no no ani kokko che so de wo hwem na nim kokko che de a this is how
wow
na ba wi asefo McBrown's kitchen ediane pede Yvonne ye twa ho yan commercial break mra
yo okay
because ya che de
ye
ba sisi adofo brim wo mabusia mo no obia pa de pa bebre
I'm home.
Me dear, adepa bia ye ma mabusia no me pe no bebre enu ti e ba na aduane no ade a me use so tasty tom and rich tomato mix enya aduane no de keke o enyane no bi ti say vitamins and fiber a ye ma nipadua no wo mu when you nechi die bio na me hwehwe
More jollof.
Emra so say we super use enrich tasty tom, tomato mix of vitamins and fiber womu. Tasty tom, emediane yede, eyema also.
High sense, everyday price.
World Cup no dey yan qualify. Let us here. Anu interest yentimi hwe bi. High sense TV wo we. Ya ba hwe na ya hwe no clear.
8th April, I copy World Cup na wiye.
High sense TV bia, size bia, ya tete so ama wo say. Enu na waka no. Say, high sense dia, wo dia asem o. Me dia ni ji sema san ya ba. Bora high sense showroom bia. TV na ya tete so no. Ko Tobi, nenya o DSTV, Go TV, Kwese TV decoder. Free. The choice is yours. Russia 2018 there. What show high sense TV so there for? And TV I will tell you 5 years warranty there. High sense near the bio. Let that suit High sense, official sponsor of the 2018 FIFA World Cup. High sense, everyday prices for everyday people.
Mommy, me how? I don't know what my was saying. That's fine. It's a band out here, Biani.
Dia ko ba so ye bi na me.
Oh, I can say one away. I mean, can't you? Menazen food spices. And no as is here, air tricking. Wo ba pa bia is so we be wo kitchen. Say the be ya wo bin to me kwajuku. What I say? Na ya da be obefi ha wo didi. One way. Menazen jollof flavor. Menazen chicken flavor. Menazen fish flavor. Na the other devil. Any lion's nutmeg powder.
Menazi food spices. What shema warrior mami.
Mentanasi. Now will be new if it's a with menazin. Any lion's nutmeg powder. What will you cry?
Naturally, there is a meek to everyone. Everyone has a unique strength. Everyone comes with a unique spice. That unique spice that urges you to slice more out of life. Your ingredients are unlike any other. And when they come together, they create a whole new wonderful you. It's your way. Love it your way. Indomie tastes great.
Indomie 70-gram pack is only 1 Ghana cedi.
Sɛ yɛka yɛn nsa bɔ mu a, ɛno na ɛkyerɛ sɛ yɛyɛ baako. Ɛno na ɛkyerɛ sɛ yɛgyina hɔ, yɛgye tum, yɛka bɔ mu yɛ baako. Ɛfiri sɛ yɛn nsa ka bɔ mu a, yɛn akoma nso aka abɔ mu. Na sɛ yakoma bɔbɔ mu a, nneɛma a ntumi nyɛ yie, tumi yɛ yie. Awake purified drinking water bottle baako biara a wobeto no. Yɛde sika no bi boa National Cardio Center a ɛwɔ Kolebu. Casapreco Company Limited nsa no adwuma pa baako ni. Awake purified drinking water, one for life.
Sardine, peche, like that.
McBrown's kitchen. Ediane pede. We see for me mama kwaba. Na Yvonne Nelson we yin kachene. We ye players at the World Cup season ye do so pa dia. Wom say Ghana and Kobe dia. I think say okay, Ghana and Kobe say we ye 0-0-0. E wa jollof mu. Me nya need there but smell no. Ebedru ho. Na mo amohwa edru ha ehia me because me sponsors ama Matia say me guest hu hia pa. Eye Tasty Tom sponsor number 1. Delay macro, delay sardine. Minazen food spices, Indomie instant noodle. And I'm there. High sense. Everyday prices for everyday people. And sana ensure what they will na drink nipa ho. I Awake purified water. But Yvonne, me pesa me dawa se sell by McBrown's kitchens. Na me ade awaye aye fe dododo. Me pesa obekọ kwa. McBrown's kitchen any cooking show ba ko pa na show the whole Ghana. The whole. You be jadi wo ye no abaso abekire Ghana fo bibia wo be kwa. Wa be hu se wa ba show ye be jaw kwan ye be da wase ye be mo hu se wo hian nti Yvonne enne me gina hai me ne maboafo nyina ase ye da ase we ye fan ecolak me ecolak ba ko pa me fan ni agro Evie Tasty Tom more jollof ye di kind Tasty Tom more jollof. Good for you. Yeah, that's it. So bad. Na near man does on to this all sorry.
Sir, hey, thank you.
This also into me dear Marie. Now dear see her.
Okay.
Why I told you so that.
Aye.
What's up papa be to you me home. Ana mawane shishu you. Papa ana ma tuwe Minazen food spices.
Oh.
Minazen food spices.
Thank you.
So ka se upebi. Mama apron any t-shirt. And the biemuno. Na ebobo anamba 3
Wow.
Delay mackerel and sardine.
Thank you.
Delay mackerel and sardine. Nampa don't penny.
Oh.
Pache like that.
Thank you.
Aye.
Thank you.
Minye. Eddie and I'm my wife. Find your son, Majayo.
My worry, she.
Indomie instant noodle.
Hey.
Indomie. Yvonne Nelson.
Hey.
Who the begu hin?
Me the begu kanimo.
Sir. You mamembo ani anshisha wa
Okay.
hase. Because
Thank you.
said the doors no. Anhwe ya. Ubeje bia mame. Meje ma de. Aye. Me nwe yo.
Hey.
Before say be di aduane no. Yvonne. So nim some me Madam Hisense. We shop one come tete so ma say who.
Oh.
Come wo awo koto de amate so. By na McBrown's kitchen wa be Yvonne. Madam Hisense me ma iron.
Oh, thank you.
Me ma iron no wi am con iron am con ye Hisense ye product back wa ye ton wo Hisense showroom. Me wi pe me ma ye gas cooker. Yvonne Nelson. Catch me say wa ko show bia so am ya jaw kwan krada.
What if you say this is my first cooking show, Intino? It's worth it. Thank you.
Thank you so much for coming.
Thank you so much.
Nah, me de betwa.
Okay.
Aye. Na me de iron no so asi ha. Ane. Me de say awia, Yvonne be ha de.
Hey.
Me ni wonwie yo. Awake purified water.
Wow.
Awake se me mobi. One nom kra baby rhyme be no.
Oh, menum.
Say bia u konkon so ama no. Aye. Baby rhyme be no. Wasana apple, a royal apple juice and a orange juice.
Oh.
Intino. McBrown's kitchen. Me to me safro na wan ba. Na why your ho wala.
Thank you. I feel says like it's Christmas, girl.
Oh. Yeah, quite any me so say na man be more.
Thank you.
Me sponsor bia wo also otimi jam guest kwan. Enti awake purified water. Hisense. Tasty Tom. Minazen food spices. Delay mackerel and sardine. And Indomie. Yes, say that was say. And you're when you know, dear.
Thank you.
You're welcome. And then meaning so why a busy pound with your donation was 37. And it's not say mammy and you come 1 minute. Neko. Okay. Away. I was for Yvonne Nelson. Why Angela? Why Angela? Oh, Yvonne. When you say, yes, same because you didn't come up be. If you made them serve me.
Serve yourself.
Aye. Me serve me ho. And any wow, one tasty Tom me ho. One ni aye. Oh, yeah, cocoa no so I ready. Ya check cocoa no. Sweetheart, serve yourself.
Okay. Mate.
Ya cocoa no.
So me pese me di bebre ntino dia kani ni aye.
Yeah, me dia.
Me di kit.
Wow.
Kit we be.
Oh my God, I can see that.
Oh, and yes sir, me pese on say me no am obi antino.
Right. Nyonyo food. Chichi, nyonyo.
Sir.
Aye. Or mommy name free.
Oh, she's good. I love her food.
Yes, nyonyo. Me pa mo cho ye potato salad no. Eni me bedi na maka ho asem a kire mo. Aye. Hey, Yvonne Nelson. What do you? What do? They am in chawo. But they can say best ready. On chawo wa dum ninti. Amen. 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 Good.
Amen.
When you be okay now, when I see what day. When you be okay now, when I see what that.
Potato salad.
Wow. Yvonne Nelson. Oh, I know why I always bring when you're go. I know you're dimpy, but it's a bobo.
Yes. Because normal onion they be too much. Too much.
More jollof. More jollof. Yvonne, let me show.
Thank you.
I'm sure I saw by McBrown's.
Thank you.
Because me and him. I did your love.
Hey.
But, yeah.
Oh, yeah, sure.
You're about to me at it.
Guess I can't be about.
Yvonne, Jai. My dear. Said the winning man. I friends free that chilling come on. Yvonne,
yes.
You didn't come 1 minute. Okay, 3 minutes. And I found Woody. Yvonne Nelson. What do you?
Oh, sir.
You can't want summer. How do you feel? Teach you. Yvonne Nelson. Oh, I cover Brownie. And you see, will be boy, will be kuno. How do you feel when you hear those? I'll say, you know whether it's positive or negative.
Me want to say, yeah, me myself, they be uncle for which she say, yeah, asem bonny, the bonny. You know, and on a maintias, and I say, me to story be say, and my baby daddy, no, say, like I say, I did negative, then people are so interested in.
Yeah, you want more Diana,
me patch on wine a ball, mufie, and a becatch almost say, size. So Bianca, you know, I didn't think I will be there for me story, be say, be size. Oh, Bianca, she, or out in cash, me out in cash. So now,
oh, sorry,
almost spreading.
Now we'll come forward.
Yes. It's, you know, stories need there. Me, my used to. But, yeah, negativity, no, na main tea, as I say, no, kwana. For a hair. You know, who's a man for a wicked bar?
Yes, I would own better say Yvonne Adegram.
Aha.
Name of Yvonne, na Nikruna Jan.
Almost a crowd, moon person baby, we say, sir.
That's I am true. Grammy,
thank you.
Not a mamma can compound it.
Thank you.
What you say?
And you know, my used to, but yeah, sometimes it gets too much. Says you see, I'm always saying, me who say, for person or more directly way to a colana or no, on your BRBBR or a innocent child, you know, and no dear, me boobe to me a fool, say, oh, can I say more? But with me, the enemy, say, Jumana, me and you know, it comes with a job.
How?
En hamisa. But see, Anna, say, I call any the any bemo, I know I'll make sure, say, and then I'm a lawyer, Carfrey. Also, be come as an Anipakuno with Jack Kai, just a lawyer friend, Tina. I will make sure that I sue. You know, suing and their Koswana. One day you fall into the nets, the trap, yeah.
Means a median open powers, or powers when it comes.
Hey, beer, but Upel I didn't think I always shake negative and manner, you know. It's a beer, me won't sem na or meaning. I don't know, meaning.
Yvonne, and Brian Bravo Munsem. Aside movie, no, any boutique I also will close in. Oh, yeah, be before Frana. My young
me produce a movie very soon. It's me organize the audition.
The may be moving. I may be no.
Hopefully, yes.
Share. Hopefully, I'm about to how do hope also. What promises so next shoot?
Oh, cow. Who play lawyer? Lawyer Papa B.
And yet, Tracy.
There be. Oh,
we lawyer doctor. No, I be chairman prescriber. You are pregnant to go and tell your husband.
David. Lawyer way or no na. Chese or not tisu.
Moving.
Yes.
Moving am dey be program you know.
Oh there. Ish.
Even dem bra bom kakra. To say what me who so your fancy nega. When you one cry and that's when you want fancy.
They be a woman wa cry. They o me wa kolebu.
Okay. We in card like would you work with the
yeah, me didn't be callable.
Okay, no go school BBA.
We call Martin Porres dance one, and I make call Cape Coast Agri Memorial, and I make call Central University.
Okay.
And I want to go back to school. You know, yeah, shame was a time
of go back to school.
Yeah.
Yvonne Nelson, and also a donation.
Many Rich Hospital doctors, no. Was a me wo you know, and I met him. Yeah, be
Ghana. Come go.
Me to tickets no but me to me uncle.
Now I am Rana.
And yes, I me dream who I miss me busia for near Ghana. I'll need the family, you know,
because your first time.
And at that time, around October, November, December, I don't even say whether I so. Why you new?
Me cry that I would check my first class.
Me you know. Me dream was me to tickets, but this year we are me used to tickets, ne car. To me, my call I me rain I call London about.
Papa.
Aye, me person ko win the chrome. So yeah. So I have British, you know, person ko.
Have British, have auntie. You know, have British, have Ghanaian.
It's you know, yeah, I decided to have the baby here because of. I did. I almost had it in the car.
Yeah, we make a
Hey, can they come here?
Brother taxi bit too. And I remember jam it to her. No,
yeah, now me so me will be can me BP crack up.
Of course.
It's many doctors, no.
How does it feel? Has it changed you?
It has.
Wait, it
has because you see, I know. I mean, him say or Dobby or sing or Dokra me or mommy. I don't know if you understand.
Yes.
But just say, oh, mommy, dear, you love your mother, you love your dad. But I think they all have a baby now. Oh, yes, so paranoid. Say, who's stressed baby bear? Who's stressed baby bear? No, it's a many rich doctors. No, yeah, collaborating. Yeah, per se, yeah, give it back. Yeah, person go for banner more bed donate blood. Na, to me the saving mothers are more name. Yeah, say, oh, I'll lose a lot of blood. So it can happen to anybody. Yeah, okra in the near future. No. Ubeko hospital ni akajo say ohia moja. Well, mo blood bank na say moja ni hono. So that's why we came together to organize.
Yvonne, who will be last? I catch a camera, you man. Last word to Ghanaians, I am for McBrown's kitchen bread.
Oh, me do Ghana for me do mo pa. Me sure say Ghana for your money. Say me dear, do Ghana hunyama. You know. So I want to say thank you. My fans mo follow me, mo support me throughout me acting career, my whole journey. I want to say thank you.
Thank you to High Sense. Thank you to Tasty Tom. Thank you to Indomie Instant Noodles. Thank you Awake Purified Water. Thank you Minazen Food Spices. Thank you Delay Mackerel and Sardine. Thank you to you, the viewer. Me da say, why?
Yeah.
Thank
you for having
me. And the
me.
program does, but who decided so about McBrown's kitchen?
Hey, I have to. Me
Thank you.
Disappointed.
I am so grateful.
My first time cooking
on TV.
Yes, on TV.
Thank you so much. I will say for I had McBrown's kitchen. Yadi be see. Said ye munim no ye aduane no an ye be no a na ye di nkomo kakra so. Ya jeje mo nia so. Enti no me da me nua omubu a me ye nyonyo. Na me hraw aduane pa wo ye ede magana de ma o customers wa ma ye biem. Na me hraw sana legina me srem wo ware anasa wo ye den. Wo to badin, wo ko ba bidina, wo date. Alegina makeover. Obi a mebo ni din bia wo Instagram ti ko. Said ye Yvonne she ho no. Ko ho nyonyo wo Alegina makeover ho. Sana La Palm Royal Beach Hotel so wo. And Apple Pie publicity so wo. Na nama McBrown Empress. Me so me she ho agudie. Me she ho bi. And na McBrown's kitchen. Ye wo YouTube from season 1, from the beginning of McBrown's kitchen till now. Ye da ho a ye kire nuane awodo aga na ha ye. We should be proud of our food. What I say? Said Yvonne here no. Also betumi in the same thing. Now also do form like it to be a one. Aduane no anya one way. Try say also be ye dia ye wa hanubi. Na waka you know say na me ndidi kwa na mo me di aduane pa. Onyame hia ye be hia na otwen se ne. Me do bi bia se. Erade mayenkwa eno ne hia wate. Me da se. Brim.
McBrown's kitchen, aduane pedo. McBrown's kitchen, bring us so. McBrown's kitchen, aduane pedo. McBrown's kitchen, bring us so. Yet to Kano, get it bow. So when you know, no am I in here. Yet to Kano, get it bow. So when you yeah, my share. McBrown's kitchen, aduane pedo. McBrown's kitchen.